heading into Montclair due to this crash. 10 eastbound at Monte Vista. It's been blocking the right lane, slowing you down from the 71. 60 eastbound is an alternate. It's pretty heavy as well from the 71. Looking a lot better once you make your way past Archibald. This update is sponsored by Bay Alarm. KFI in the sky helps get you there faster. I'm Angel Martinez.
Sponsored by Bay Alarm. I love to share the story about Good Feet because they really do a hell of a job. And what Good Feet are about are getting your feet in proper alignment. And that is pretty important because your knees and your back and your ankles all have to do with your feet. If they're not working well, then everything is out of whack. My issue is balance. And as horrible as it is, it would be so far worse. I put the Good Feet arch supports in every single pair of shoes I own, even my slippers. Today I'm wearing my man boots, my sandals, and I don't have my arch supports. I can tell you there's a huge difference where I am bouncing off the walls. Good Feet folks have been improving the quality of people's lives for over 25 years, eliminating foot, knee, back pain, comfort, balance, and support. And when you go to a Good Feet store, there are 6 of them. They follow every single CDC procedure and take every precaution. They're in Orange County, Torrance, Long Beach, LA, Pasadena, Ontario, Mills. Call 800-NEW-WALK. You can make an appointment, 800-NEW-WALK. Or you can visit goodfeet.com. Do you remember?
Emergency after 940.
Hi, I would like to report a potential drunk driver on the 10 East.
Let me go ahead and connect you to CHP. Don't hang up.
Okay.
Give me one moment, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
911 go to P40.
LAPD is the transfer for the 10 eastbound. Go ahead, sir.
Hello?
Hi, I'd like to report a potential drunk driver on the 10 East.
Yeah, what exit?
We're about to approach Robertson Boulevard right now. It's a white Honda Accord, license plate 8, King Frank Lincoln 992. Almost hit at least 2 cars and almost hitting the guardrail many times and still swerving around. We're passing Robertson right now.
Said it was a white Honda Accord?
White Honda Accord, late model.
And what is your name? Phone number. Alright, keep a safe distance from the car, don't follow it. We'll let the officer